So for this problem, to find the derivative of the hyperbolic functions, and these are the different formulas for the hyperbolic derivative. So from this given, to find the derivative, so since the derivative of ln u, this is equal to the derivative of u over u. So from this given, u equals the hyperbolic tangent 2x. Then to find the derivative of u, since the derivative of the hyperbolic tangent is the hyperbolic secant squared, so this is the hyperbolic secant squared, then 2x times the derivative of 2x, this is 2. So therefore du equals 2, then the hyperbolic secant squared 2x. Then using these two values, so we can find now the derivative from this formula. So we have du, and du is 2. Then the hyperbolic secant squared 2x, then over u, and u, the hyperbolic tangent 2x. Then from this, so we can write this one as 2 times the hyperbolic secant 2x times the hyperbolic secant 2x, and that's equal to squared, then over this hyperbolic tangent 2x. Then we can use now this identity that secant over tangent, that's equal to cosecant. So therefore this secant over tangent is equal to cosecant. So this becomes y prime equals 2. Then bring down this hyperbolic secant 2x. Then for this secant over tangent, so use this identity. So this is equal to the hyperbolic cosecant 2x. Then from this, so we can use another identity. So this is 2, then times. For this hyperbolic secant, so since secant is equal to 1 over cosine, so this becomes 1 then over the hyperbolic cosine 2x, then times for this cosecant, since cosecant is equal to 1 over sine, so this becomes 1 then over the hyperbolic sine 2x. Then to simplify, so y prime equals, so this becomes 2 then over the hyperbolic sine 2x times the hyperbolic cosine 2x. Then from this denominator, so we can use this identity that sine A cosine A, this is equal to 1/2, then sine 2A. So therefore this becomes y prime equals 2 then over. So for this denominator, using this identity, and this is equal to 1/2, then the hyperbolic sine 2 times the angle, since the angle is 2x, so 2x times 2, so therefore this becomes 4x. Then we can take the reciprocal of this 1/2. So this becomes 2 over 1, then times 2, then over the hyperbolic sine 4x. Then we have y prime equals, so multiply. So this becomes 4, then times. So we can write this one as 1, then over the hyperbolic sine 4x. Then to simplify, so we have y prime equals 4. Then for this, 1 over hyperbolic sine, since 1 over sine is equal to cosecant, so therefore this becomes the hyperbolic cosecant for x. So this is now the derivative.